Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you feel tired in the morning? Do you feel sleepy when your alarm rings? Do you always rush to work or school? Many people feel this way. Many people feel stressed in the morning. You are not alone. Sometimes I feel tired too. Sometimes I want to stay in bed. But I have a simple routine. This routine helps me feel calm. This routine helps me feel happy. Today, I will share my slow and peaceful morning with you. It is simple, it is quiet, it is full of small, happy moments. My alarm rings at 6:30 in the morning. The sound is soft but clear. I open my eyes slowly. The room is quiet. The air is cool. I do not jump out of bed. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. My body feels a little stiff, but then it feels better. I smile. I say to myself, "Good morning." This is a small habit, but it makes me feel good. The light from the window is soft and warm. The sky is light blue. I can hear birds outside. Their sound is gentle and sweet. This moment is very peaceful. First, I go to the bathroom. I walk slowly. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile again. I brush my teeth. The toothpaste tastes fresh and minty. I wash my face with cold water. The water is very cold. It wakes me up quickly. Cold water is good in the morning. It makes my skin feel fresh. It makes my mind feel clear. Then I take a shower. The water is warm now. It feels soft on my skin. I close my eyes. I enjoy the quiet moment. After that, I dry my hair. I comb my hair slowly. I look clean and ready. Next, I choose my clothes. Today, I wear a blue shirt. The color is calm and nice. I wear soft jeans. They feel comfortable. Comfort is important to me. I want to feel relaxed all day. Then I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is bright and clean. The morning light comes through the window. Now I make coffee. This is my favorite part of the morning. I take the coffee beans. I grind the beans. The sound is soft and steady. The smell is strong and sweet. I love this smell. It makes me feel awake. It makes me feel happy. I boil some water. The water becomes hot. I pour the hot water into the cup. I watch the steam rise. The steam is warm and soft. It moves slowly in the air. This moment is very calm. Oops! I spill some hot water on the table. It is a small accident, but it is okay. No stress, no problem. I take a towel, I wipe the table clean, I smile. In the past, I felt upset about small things. Now, I stay calm. Small problems are okay. Look at this word, spill. Spill means water falls out of the cup by accident. It is simple, right? Now my coffee is ready. I take a small sip. It is hot. It is a little bitter, but very rich. I stand near the window. I look outside. The street is quiet. The air is fresh. After that, I make breakfast. I keep it simple. I cook eggs. I make toast. The bread is warm and crispy. The eggs are soft and tasty. Sometimes I add butter. It smells rich and nice. Soon, my husband, David, wakes up. He walks into the kitchen. He looks a little sleepy. He says, "Good morning." I say, "Good morning. Hot coffee. I made it for you." He smiles. He says, "Thank you." We smile at each other. Then my children wake up. Lily and Tom come into the kitchen. Their hair is messy. Their eyes are sleepy. They say, "Good morning, Mom." I say, "Good morning." They say, "We are hungry." I smile. I say, "Sit down. Breakfast is ready." We sit together at the table. The table is simple but warm. We eat together. We talk together. We smile together. We do not use our phones. We look at each other. We listen to each other. David talks about his work. Lily talks about her school. Tom tells a funny story. We laugh. The sound is happy and light. This is my favorite time. Family time is very important. Simple moments are very special. Simple things make me happy. After breakfast, we clean the table. David helps me. The children help too. We work together. It is fast and easy. Then the children get ready for school. They put on their shoes. They take their bags. I check their things. I say, "Be careful." I say, "Have a good day." They say, "Thank you, Mom." They say, "Bye-bye." After that, the house is quiet again. I take a deep breath. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. The water is warm. The sound is soft. Cleaning is not boring for me. It is a quiet time. It is a thinking time. Sometimes I play soft music. The music is slow and gentle. It makes me feel relaxed. Now, let's learn another word. Look at this word, steam. Steam is the hot, white air from water or coffee. You can see it when something is hot. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Good job. Repeat after me. The smell is strong and sweet. The smell is strong and sweet. Very good. Now, a small question for you. Do you remember? What did I spill on the table? A. Coffee. B. Hot water. The answer is B. Hot water. Very good. Finally, I get ready to go out. I take my bag. I check my phone. I take a deep breath. I feel calm. I feel ready. I feel happy. My morning is simple. No rush, no stress. A slow morning makes a happy day. That is my morning routine. What about you? What time do you wake up? Do you have a morning routine? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.